Have you ever slept a full 8 hours and still woke up feeling completely drained? Like your body rested, but your energy never came back? Some days a person sits down at 2 p.m. and then suddenly it's almost 4, and they don't even remember falling asleep. Sound familiar? When reading through comments from people in this stage of life, one thing keeps coming up again and again. I'm always tired, and I don't know why. And what surprises most people is this. Most of the reasons have nothing to do with age. So if you've been telling yourself, maybe I'm just getting old, what you're about to hear might change the way you see it. 1. You're not actually resting. There's something that confuses a lot of people. They don't do much all day, yet they still feel exhausted. George, 74, spends most afternoons sitting in his recliner watching TV. He thought he was resting. But by evening, his body feels heavy, his mind foggy, and his energy is almost gone. The truth is, stillness is not the same as rest. When your body stays inactive for too long, your circulation slows down, your muscles stiffen, and your body shifts into power-saving mode. Which means, the less you move, the less your body wants you to move. It becomes a quiet cycle. The good news? It doesn't take much to break it. Just standing up once an hour, walking a few steps around the house, stretching your arms or stepping outside for a moment. Not to exhaust yourself, but to gently wake your body up. Because sometimes feeling tired isn't about doing too much. It's about doing too little. For too long, too, you're quietly dehydrated. Even if you think you're drinking enough, Linda, 72, used to say she drank water every day. But when she really thought about it, it was 1 glass in the morning with her pills and maybe some soup at lunch. That was it. When we're younger, our bodies clearly signal when we need water. But as we age, that signal becomes quieter. By the time you feel thirsty, your body may have already been low on fluids for hours. Mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, brain fog, daytime drowsiness, and many people don't even realize it. Some avoid drinking water because they don't want to use the bathroom more often. That's completely understandable, but hydration doesn't mean drinking a lot all at once. It simply means sipping consistently throughout the day. A glass in the morning, another around midday, and small sips throughout the day. No pressure, just consistency. Because sometimes it's not that your body lacks energy, it's that it lacks water. 3. Silent stress is draining you. This is one of the most overlooked reasons, because it doesn't feel like stress. It's not loud. It's not panic. It's not obvious anxiety. It's just a quiet heaviness in your chest, a thought that keeps returning, a worry that never fully leaves. Margaret, 70, once said she didn't have anything to worry about, but as she kept talking, she began to mention things that were always on her mind: her health, being alone, the future, and the feeling that life was slowly losing meaning. That's silent stress. And your body doesn't care whether stress is loud or quiet. It reacts the same way, disrupting your sleep, tightening your body, and draining your energy over time. Sometimes you're not actually tired. You're just carrying too much, quietly. The first step isn't fixing everything. It's simply recognizing it, writing your thoughts down, talking to someone, or just naming what you're feeling. Because once something is named, it becomes lighter. 4. Your body is running on the wrong fuel. Many people eat regularly, but still feel exhausted. Robert, 68, had a habit of eating white toast with jam every morning. An hour later, he was ready for a nap. It wasn't because he ate too little. It was because he was eating the wrong kind of fuel. Foods high in sugar and simple carbs can cause your energy to spike quickly and then crash just as fast. It feels like you suddenly have energy, and then it disappears. Your body needs protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep energy stable. Even a small change can help. An egg, a handful of nuts, or adding some protein to breakfast. You don't need to eat less, just eat smarter. Because sometimes it's not how much you eat, it's what you're feeding your body. 5. You're missing 2 things: sunlight and purpose. This is the part that makes many people pause. A person can sleep well, eat well, and still feel drained because they're missing two things: light and meaning. David, 75, slowly stopped doing the things he once loved. After losing his wife, he no longer went outside much. He stopped gardening. He stopped seeing friends. Each day became the same, and his energy slowly faded. The truth is, energy is not just physical, it's emotional too. Sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. But something even deeper matters: having a reason to get up. It doesn't have to be big. It could be taking care of a plant, calling a friend, or simply having something small to look forward to. Because when there's nothing to look forward to, your body stops generating energy too. Your body doesn't just need rest, it needs a reason. 6. Sometimes it's not your fault. And this is important to say. Not all fatigue can be fixed with habits. Sometimes it comes from medications, vitamin deficiencies, or underlying health conditions. Susan, 73, felt exhausted for months. After getting tested, she found out she was low in vitamin B12 and vitamin D. With a few adjustments, her energy slowly returned. The important thing is this: don't blame yourself, and don't accept constant fatigue as normal. Sometimes a simple checkup can give you the answers you've been looking for. So maybe it's not your age. Maybe it's just a few small things, quietly draining your energy every day. And the good news? Most of them can be changed. You don't have to fix everything at once. Just one small step, a glass of water, a short walk, a little sunlight, or something that makes you smile again. You don't have to go back to being 20. Just feeling a little more alive each day is enough. If something in this video felt like it was describing you, feel free to share it in the comments. Because sometimes just knowing you're not alone is already a form of energy. And remember, you're not out of energy. You're just a little out of rhythm.